came to set us free.
Take rest, cause the living God is living in my chest. Every day I wake up feeling blessed, and even if I don't, I see it as a test. Cause I was lost until you found me. Now I know you're all around me. Nothing I could ever do to separate my love from you. You came to set us free. You came to set us free. You ain't drive me in that pit.
Yo.
Saw my soul inside that fam and said that's it. Great chat. You never flake in the cold winter. I just came to ball with the gold winners. Fast forward, turn to a road runner. Spirit caught me here, go get it. Shed blood, gave me lemonade on this cold bending. Pick me up. Always take me Turner, always chasing after Vicky.
Yo.
Me too is fine and gave me peace and chose to cleanse me up. Now I'm testifying on your greatness. This a different look. Go like the hit hard, let's take it slow. Take a walk by the river and let you flow. Cause Lord, you are all I ever want. You're all I ever want. I was lost until you found me. Now I know you're all around me.
Alright,
nothing I could
let's get
ever
rolling.
do to separate my love from you.
Recording in progress.
What up, chat? What's good? What's good? AB Mike in the house. What up, AB Mike? Yo. Who we got here? What up, Josh Jess? Let's go, LeGrand. Louis G in the house. Hey, yo. How we doing, chat? Good morning. Welcome in. Welcome. Let me finish what I have to do real quick. All right. Perfect. What's good? Gotta Trade is in the building. What up, Gotta Trade? What up, Dennis Hood's in the house. What up, Dennis Hood? What up, Wags? What up, Anillo? I see you, Anillo. AB Mike in the house. SG80 in the building. Let's go. Life Quotes in the house. Kelvin, my man. Congrats again, Kelvin. Big W. See, Kelvin took a, W. Just W on Kelvin. DT Gamer in the house. What up, DT Gamer? It's good, everybody. What up, Arnie? Good to see you. What up, AJ? G Sammy. You little stinky winky. What up, Billy O'Neill in the building? What's good, Billy? What's up, everyone? Welcome in. Happy Tuesday. How y'all doing? Everyone good? What up, Xander? What up, Oscar? Good to see you, my man. Purpose in the building. Crow's crew in the house. How you doing? What up, OGH? What's good, y'all? All right, let me share my screen real quick. Send the Zoom link out, and we're gonna rock and roll here today. One sec. If you guys are not in our free Discord, you can join our free Discord. And hold on one sec. And Zoom link is out. All right, Zoom link's good. Yeah, you guys can join our free Discord if you like. We got a ton of cool channels in there, man. Yo, that transformation channel is something else. Shout out to DT Gamer. What's up? What's up, Gold Trading Strategy? What's good? What up, Richard Lewis? Good morning, my friend. What's good? Buzz Blab in the house. All right, I think Zoom's out. let me share my screen, and then we're gonna get the party started here. Boom. All right, perfect. All right, well, welcome in, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Let me pray for y'all real quick, and then we're going to go ahead and get this day started. So let me pray for you guys, and we'll rock and roll from there. Father in heaven, Lord, we come to you in the name of Jesus, Lord. We thank you for a new day, Lord. I pray for your people out here today. I pray that they would know you, Lord, that you would speak to them here on this live stream today. I pray you would go before us and bless our path here this morning, this afternoon, this evening. Lord, we thank you. We thank you that your presence dwells among this stream. I thank you for blessing the people of this stream, Lord. Give us the wisdom to pick out the right trades and to do the right things with the money, Lord. We thank you for it all. It's all a blessing from above. We give you all the glory. In Jesus' name, amen. Amen. Let's party. Ready to roll? All right, perfect. Amen. Blessings to you guys as you come on in here today. It's going to be a great day. It is Tuesday. It is the second day of April, and we're ready to get started here today. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got going on in the news. Today is another day. It's another opportunity for us to be disciplined, to stick to our playbook, stick to our plan. We all may have a little bit of a different plan, of a different playbook, and that's totally fine. Your job today is to stick what works best for you, right? So make sure you're doing that today. It's another day to grow. It's another day to learn here in the markets. Every day is a learning opportunity. Class is always in session, and we'll see what we can learn here today in the markets. So let's go ahead and get started. We're taking a look here at the news. I don't really see much in the headlines up until about 10 a.m. here today. So we're pretty clean until about 10 a.m. And then 10 a.m. we have this red folder, which is Jolt's job opening. So that's all we have to look out for here today. You know, as we discussed yesterday, most of the news is going to be coming in on Wednesday, Thursday, and then we'll have the fireworks show on Friday. And that's it. The first 2 days of the week are pretty clean. Just one red folder, late red folders too at that, on both these days, yesterday and today here. So that's pretty much it. Nothing too crazy today. We should have some good volume here coming in. If you guys can like the stream as you settle on down here, we're going to do a top-down analysis and really see what's going on and where we can make some moves here today. So let's go ahead and take a look at the daily. Let me just lower the music just a little bit. All right, cool. That should be good. Let's take a look at gold here. We'll take a look at the NASDAQ as well and see where we can look for opportunities here today. So taking a look at gold on the daily time frame, right? Let's go to the weekly real quick. Weekly, you know, we broke the highs here, created all-time highs right here, and you know, now just kind of moving up. We don't have much of a bottom wick, as you can see. Not much of a bottom wick on this candle. Also not much of a bottom wick on this guy here. But all in all, candles have been juicing up here, man, the last couple weeks. As you know, as you can see, we created this support right here. So that support has been just very, very strong, and price has just moved up. Even this weak candle, right? This weak bullish candle, the wick got filled. There was zero selling pressure at all in this previous weekly candle there. So very, very bullish on gold, man. You know, when it comes to these higher time frames, daily candle is very bullish as well. We have the all-time high right here. Who knows, you know, will we break that today? If we do, we've got nothing really to go off of, right? To the left-hand side. So would expect some sort of a pullback as well on this daily time frame. If we notice, the last support is way down here, right? Towards like 2160, 2170. So this was the last range that we came from. As you guys can see, there's a range sitting right here. And this was where we were ranging around for quite a bit. You had a candle close outside of the range, which is right here. There was a wick to fill, and price just kept on moving, man. Just kept on moving. No stopping the bullish run here on gold. So that's what we've seen over the last couple days, or really last 2 weeks, since we created that support. So let's see where we're at on the 4-hour chart here. As you guys can see, 4-hour candles are moving up, but we are moving up into this resistance level here, right? So you had this previous 4-hour candle, I should say, close right at resistance. Therefore, you know, will we continue up? We may, right? We may continue up, but we have to keep in mind that we did close right at this level of resistance. Therefore, the next candle may be weak. It may even close back below the range, right? To give some sort of a retracement, right? For the next candle to dive back down, do something like this, and give gold an opportunity to retrace a little bit before moving back up and eventually breaking these highs, right? So that's kind of what I'm anticipating here on this 4-hour candle. Now look, if we do get a closure above, right? So again, you're at resistance, right? If you do get an actual candle closing above, then I would say, okay, yeah, we're looking pretty bullish to continue up. Like, let's say you get, oh, let me use the other one. Let's say you get a candle closing like this. Boom. Now you got a strong bullish closure. You should expect the next candles to at least move up, you know. But, and again, we don't have any idea of where we want to go to the left, so that's where it gets a little challenging to look for targets and take positions. So let's go ahead and take a look at the 1 hour real quick, see what's going on there. So 1 hour, again, you are at this level of resistance here. This is your all-time high sitting right there. Previous 1 hour did close bullish. Closed like, I don't know, semi-strong, not really. A lot of rejection to the downside. Not the greatest candle, right? But all in all, we did close bullish here. This candle doesn't have a top wick on it just yet. I'm assuming this candle will come up to make a top wick. Let's take a look at the 30. 30 closed bullish as well here. You've got a resistance here, and you've got support right here, right? So this kind of like your range based on the 30-minute time frame now. So you're kind of stuck in this range. You got rejections to the top side, right? You've got rejections to the downside. So we will see, right? We're in this range right now. I think if you do close above, you should fill this wick. If you do close below, you should fill this wick. Pretty simple. You got clean range coming down, and that's pretty much what we got here today. Yeah, 4 hours at some sort of rejection level, right here. So big closure coming up. Actually, this candle did close above technically when you stretch it out like that. So maybe we will continue moving up. It looks like we already broke the high and moved up, and we're rejecting now. So that's the thing here. We are rejecting. Now I think the closures on the 30-minute time frame will kind of steer us in the right direction here. So I'm going to be looking for potential sells below 2260. So sells below here. That's also the 4 hour now flipping bearish again, right, to drive down. I'm also going to look for potential buys. Probably, yeah, I mean, buys are tough, man. Buys are tough. Yeah, because you got no traffic here, no ranges, nothing to the left. So all you have is this wick to fill. Potentially this wick fill right here. If we measure that range, it's about a 21 pip wick fill. So nothing special, you know, nothing special. Yeah, I'm in sells right now from this low right here. I think I went like 70 pips in profit and came back up. So sitting probably a couple pips in profit here now. But this is just a sample size small position to test out our theory about the 4 hour wicking and closing back below here. Yeah, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, that's it. That is the day, ladies and gents. That is the day. So buys above 2264, 500, and then clean sells. You know, if you get a closure now below, you got this wick to fill down here, and then, you know, potential clean move coming down here today. So yeah, that's going to be the day. That's it. What up, Chola? Yeah, so this is my move. I'm in. Got in right around here and went a decent amount in profit, but didn't want to close anything. Just I want to anticipate this really moving down here today off of that 4 hour resistance. And it's just a test, right? It's just to see how it'll all play out, sample sizing the data, testing the concept, see if the ideas begin to play out more often than not. And then I can say, okay, well, look, most of the time this happens. Sometimes this happens, and I want to be right most of the time. So it's an idea that we're continuing to test. Tester. Yes, sir. What up? What up? What up, McNeil? Hope you have an awesome day, my friend. Oh, Chala tagging the whole crew out here. Whole gang. Whole gang. Except me. Hey, where am I at, Chala? 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 Yeah, so that's it, gang. Sit tight, relax, and wait for some closures now. We got NY open here in about 45 minutes. We'll see. This was a pretty nasty rejection right here. So we'll see what's going to happen now, right? But again, this is your all-time high. So will we continue moving up here today, break all-time highs during the New York session, or will we get ourselves some sort of a pullback, right? If we can get closures below the range here, then you should go ahead and fill this wick to the left-hand side and then potentially, you know, make moves, you know, even lower here today, right? The daily does need some sort of a pullback as well. So I would expect price to tap into like these levels here today, 22.48, if you do get closures and all that good stuff and begin to retrace here. So that's going to be my plan, and yeah, that's it. That's all, folks. Damn. Funded pips took my account down without violation. Wow. Prop firms are becoming ahead of. Let me stick with top one. Damn. Yeah, I'm telling y'all, just stick with top one, man. If you're gonna get a funded account on a Forex broker or whatever, why would you not choose top one? You can literally, if you have an issue, you can literally type it in the chat, message me on Discord. I have legit connections. Like, I got these guys' phone numbers. I still don't know what some of you guys are doing. How you doing? What up? That's good. Some of you guys probably think we're crazy when we say that how you doing stuff. Oh. Just so you don't think we're crazy.
How you doing?
How you doing? Yeah, Top One's also putting together everything with trade lockers. So I think I believe they're testing everything this week, and should be rolling out here within the next week or two. Yeah.
How you doing?
Yeah, that's true. They do have a course as well. They Top One has a course, man. No, I talked to them because, you know, I want to start a hedge fund one day, so I picked their brain a little bit about the whole like A-book and stuff. So they got plans, man. They got good plans. They just paid out like $100,000 while all these other big name companies are basically disappearing. These guys are paying out six figures. Right. What broker do I use? I use Tradeovate. What up, George VDM? My guy. My guy. How you doing today, Nick? I'm doing fantastic, Grandy. How you doing? What up, Ali Reza? What's good? What's good? So look, price is moving down here, right? So what I'm anticipating is the fact that we broke the highs here. We may fake out right at this level of resistance, being that we are in the all-time highs. The daily candles really need some sort of pullbacks, man. Right? It's not that we're trying to call the tops here. We're trying to do this with logic and a real idea and concept behind it. Right? So right now everything is in this 4-hour like all-time high area. So most likely you'll move down from here. So let's see if we can go ahead and fill that wick, and then once you close below or break below, that's when you should see, you know, a potential drive down today. Yeah, I got stops at above the all-time highs here too, so. Yeah, this is a test trade too. Very small position. Want to see where this can go, right? Where these ideas can take us. So we should go ahead and fill that wick, and then, you know, like I said, 22 down here towards this support area is probably where we can potentially come here today. Potentially. Just got 21 pips. Nice, Christian. Nice. I think I'm sitting. Let's see. Yeah, I'm up about 42 pips here on this trade. Can we check charts for stream? Yes. Yes. Yeah, not gonna close anything. This is literally just testing and stuff like that. So just it's making the crazy frog pattern. Yeah. Oh yeah, charts for stream. Let's take a look. Charts for stream. Where's charts for stream? Oh, we got AJ with one too. Let's take a look. To fill that 4-hour wick, market need to form stronger support. Let's take a look here. Oh, nice. Took a buy. Right? Did you take a buy here or no? Let's see. Okay, perfect. So 1 hour form support, took buys on the break of the previous. Okay, perfect, beautiful. You see how this candle, see how strong this candle is? It covered over half of the body of the other one. That's a strong support right there. So when you see that, you've got a nice strong support. And then look, AJ's seen the wick fill as well there. So 4-hour wick fill, perfect. Stop loss at B at 14 pips, closed 50%. After that, break even got hit. Okay, cool. And B point based off 30-minute rejection right here. Good job. Yeah, nice. Still testing. Good job. Good job, AJ. Trade was taken at 3:45 Eastern. So I think is that the pre-London now? Does London open at 4 a.m. Eastern? I think now. I think so, right? W, great trade. Great trade. Let's take a look at this. London session pound yen buys. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Price was consolidating. Range 1 broke out. There was no entry because stops were too big. Candle from a bottom wick. Okay, cool. Okay, awesome. So price broke out again. Took your buy. Lovely. This move was from yesterday. Needs to be corrected. Also, nice. Pound yen. Pound yen looking good, eh? How's pound yen treating everybody? Good. All right, nice trade. Very good, GJ. Let's take a look at your NASDAQ sells here as well. So let's take a look. So it looks like fake outs. Previous daily close with a rejection toward the bullish side. Fake out for buys. Celery, booby trap. Okay, perfect. One more entry possible on the 15. Oh, nice. Yeah, nice trade. I think I would have definitely taken this guy. I'm not sure if I would have taken this one, but beautiful. Beautiful move. Very good. Great job. Great trades. When are you gonna send us some losing trades? Or you don't lose trades? Send us some losers too. I want to see some losers. No losing trades, baby. AJ, great job, and yeah, both of you guys, amazing trades. Great ideas too. Who's GJ? GJ. I think I stumbled into the wrong universe. Had no idea what any of this is about, but it's a blast. Bye. All right, Paul. See you later. Take care. Off to the next stratosphere. Have a great day, man. Blessings to you. Thanks for stumbling across us. You're awesome, man. You're a big dog. I think God just wanted to tell you he loved you, man. That's all. Bye. Have a great day. All right, let's go, Arnie. Just 2 days of April. Haven't. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. I know. You're killing it, man. When you take A+ setups like that, you typically won't have too many losses. You know, maybe 2 or 3 out of like 10, 11 trades. GJ go. What's up, Willie? Good morning, man. Good morning. How you doing? Yeah, we'll see how the 1 hour closes here. So you got 33 minutes for the 1 hour closure. But then you got about 3 minutes for this 30 close. If you can pull back, that would be great, right? For new opportunities. If not, then you got to wait for the 1 hour here. Right? If we pull back and close like somewhere up here, get a top wick, I'm going to take another entry there. If not, then just going to wait on the 1 hour, see how that closes up. I think this trade right now is like 40 pips in profit. So you're hanging around like that 40 pip mark here. Let's see if we can break the lows there. That'd be great. If you can get a closure below and then go ahead and break the lows, that'd be awesome. Joey Stu check. Not a chance, boys. Joey Stu check. Are you trading jolts? Yeah, we'll be here. We'll be trading around that time. Joey Stu. Yeah, nah, last time I seen Joey Stu, bro, was when he was talking about that ice cream cake. I haven't seen him since. Haven't heard from him since that story 2 days ago. Was your entry impulse? No, it was the break of the 30 lows there. This 15-minute had created this resistance here. So I waited for the 30 to break the lows there. Yeah. I went about like 60 something pips in profit. Oh, I'm sorry. No, it was like more like 45 pips. Yeah, it went like 45 pips in profit. Back into drawdown, back into profit. So just kind of seeing if we have a, or if I have a good read on the direction based off of the session bias. That's what we're going to call it. We're going to use the term session bias based off of where the 4 hour candles are at. Yeah, so 4 hour candle closed above, came up, broke the highs, but then began to reject. Right, and then once that rejection happened, you got this weak doji candle here. This candle also had no top wick on it. So once this candle closed, took a sell, and then, you know, came back up and trying to work its way here. So if it break the all-time highs, you most likely keep going up. You shouldn't break them for no reason. So that's where my stops are sitting, and then looking to target really these lows down here on the 4 hour. This wick right here. Yeah, I'm not expecting this 4 hour to do the work. I think it's going to be the next 4 hour, but this one's going to be the setup. You know, this one's going to set up the next one to potentially drive down. So I may hang around this, like, you know, 40 pip range for a little bit if this idea is actually going to work. But this is the idea we've been testing. We did get a closure below. It's a little too low, I think, for a new entry for me. Might want to wait here for NY open. You know, if we can get something where it looks like this, where you get a bullish closure, then we got like a celery play coming up. I would look to have another position now on the break of these lows right here for price to continue down. Yeah, maybe that's when we can tap into this zone here, and then that's where I'm going to close partials. So another thing that I'm looking at too is really all the conditions around each trade, right? Because every trade is every trade's going to be a little bit unique in its own way, where it's just a little bit different, right? So kind of checking the conditions around each trade will allow us to not only determine our size of our trade, but if, let's say like yesterday, right, all conditions lined up outside of a bottom wick. Now look, a bottom wick for me is big, right? On a bearish when a bearish candle closes with no bottom wick, right, like this, that's huge for me, because I really know that this is 50-50 on the next trade, right? But the question comes in and says, well, why and when, right? When is it 50-50? When does it 50%? When's the 50% that it actually drives, and when's the 50% that it may hold up? And a lot of times the conditions around the trade have to do with why it goes 50% of the time in your favor and why 50% of the time it goes against you, right? And that has a lot to do with the conditions around the trade. So yesterday on that 15-minute, I think it was 9:30, right? Was it the 15 or was it the 30-minute? 15. It was one of them. Yeah, right here, 15-minute, right? All the conditions lined up. Price did exactly what we wanted it to do. We just didn't have a bottom wick on this candle, or very little to no bottom wick, where typically I would let that keep me out of trades, right? But now understanding that this was the 4-hour move down, right? This was the 4-hour move back up. That created a 4-hour candle that looked like this, right? This next move here created a top wick for us, and then this was your driver down, right? So, well, my bad. Driver down, right? So if all the other conditionings were lined up, I gotta swing the bat moving forward and just, you know, calculate my size, right? Size up accordingly when it comes to that. So yeah, so that's another thing I'm looking at too, is more so the conditions, right? And what are the conditions of the trade? Again, every trade is going to be different, unique in its own way. There's going to be different circumstances going on, you know, within different time frames and all that. So if the weather is good and there's just one little thing off, then I think we can still let it rip. Slight chance of rain. We still going to the pool, ladies and gentlemen. What up, Traders X? Good morning. What up, Green? How you feeling, bro? Good to see you, man. Green check, green check. What up, Andrew? Good morning, bro. Are you not worried about the 30-minute top wick? I'm not worried about anything, brother. Literally. I'm just chilling. I'm just testing out this idea here. And if it works, it works. If not, it doesn't. But yeah, so far so good. I mean, you got a closure below. Stops are at all-time highs, so we'll see. We'll see. This is a test. But yeah, we got volume coming in. So if this candle can move up, potentially the bigger the top wick, like the steeper, the better. And then if it can come down and close like weak bullish, then we break the lows on the next candle. That's where you should see a drive down towards like 22.48 here. Because we need momentum, right? We need volume. We need what we like to call dynamite to get through all this. And the dynamite just isn't here on this candle yet, right? In 25 minutes, we'll have the NY open coming up, and that's where the dynamite should come in. And that's where we should be able to blow through this and tap into this level right here. 22.48. Good morning. What up, Short? I'm doing fantastic. How you doing? How you doing? Yeah, and what about the no top wick? Yeah, it's okay. If we come up and make that top wick, it's totally fine too. Yeah, because there's no new position yet, right? So I wouldn't have a sell stop right here, right now, right? There's no new position at all. It's just now we want to see what this 30-minute candle is going to do because, again, NY open coming up. And if it closes nice and weak, then what we could expect is the next candle to drive down, right? And do something like this. What's up, Green? Damn, I think I'm way back in the comments section here. We're still talking about Joey Stew. Yeah, Joey, what up, the Groomsmith? Joey Stew's in a cake coma. 4 crumble cookies and then a cake. Holy. What's up, options? Yeah, let me just scroll down. I'm too high up here. Can you tell us when did you realize that trading is a life-changing opportunity? Yes. I was in a Barnes and Noble with my wife, and I was just beginning to learn how to trade. I was still like taking signals and stuff, and I took a trade on AUD USD and made like $300 or $350 in about, I don't know, 30 minutes. And yo, I looked at my wife Anna and I said, we're doing this. I am going to do this. I'm going to master this. And it's probably going to take some time, but I'm going to get the job done. And that's when I really began to get fired up about trading, and knew that it was a life-changing opportunity where if you had the skill set, you can basically, make the markets your ATM, right? As long as you can crack the code, right? Which is, if you're going to rob the bank, you need to have the password to the safe, right? So as long as you've got the password to the safe, aka a good solid system, right? A good strategy, good mindset around things, then you can pull money out like an ATM. So you want to rob the banks out here, you better learn the digits to the safe, G. What up, Scott? What's good, my boy? What up, PM Magnifico? What's good, boys? What's good, what's good? How you doing? We have an FVG at 20. Every time I hear FVG, I was thinking about that Eminem song. Then the FCC won't let me be. You guys remember that one? And the FVG. What's good, Dropout Trader? What up, Edson? How old is Joe? Joe is 44. No, I'm just kidding. Joe is 27, 28. 29, 30, 31, 32, 34, 22, 21. I don't know. Joe's just Joe. If I'm robbing the bank, I'm taking green. Yo, green. What up, Pablo? Good morning, brother. Love your positive energy all the time when you come up on this stream. Bringing the heat. I like to match your guys' energy. So I like when chat got motion, man. Otherwise, I'm just here hanging out. What are you doing? Just hanging out. Hey, Green, how was that fight, bro? The FVG Eminem banger. Joe looks older. Hey, I had someone tell me at the gym that they thought I was a junior in college. I said, really? I'm at that age now where I'm like flattered by that. Oh, really? Joe's just Joe, man. That's it. Joe's just Joe. Doggy years, crumble years. How many? What do you want to know? What up, Tyler? What's good, brother? Joe's just Joe, man. Not gonna lie, that dude loves food, man. That dude loves food. Where's Joe? Hold on. I think I got a picture of Joe right now. There he is, watching the live stream. Joe, how you doing? Yo, I promise I'm gonna get shirts that say Joe Stu Check with that image on the shirt. Should I get it on the front or the back? You guys want to know where Joe is right now? There he is. There he is. Oh, man. Green, don't laugh. He got the live stream on and all that right now. Holy. Oh, man. You guys are funny. What's up with y'all, man? All right, this thing's moving along pretty good here for me, chat. Yeah, I think we're like coming down maybe like 36, 37 pips here. So let's see if we could break that low. Can we break the low? He's at Crumble Cookie right now, bro. Just sitting on the sidewalk with his like head in his lap. Hey, how many of you guys want to see more videos, more food videos with Joe? I'll be honest, he's a funny dude, man. You guys, once we get him up here on Zoom, you'll see how funny he is. You guys want to see more food videos with him? We'll set him up with a YouTube channel. Can you explain the ideas behind the gold cells? Yeah. So coming to the desk this morning, noticed that the 4-hour candle is way up here, right? So I was anticipating that we're in these all-time highs now, right? In our session bias now, we've moved up quite a bit on the 4-hour to be all the way up here, right? From this support, we moved up about 160 pips, right? So was really expecting a potential closure back below on the 4-hour. Not saying that this 4-hour is going to be the driver candle. I'm actually looking to see if this can be the setup candle, right? Where you get that rejection and then next candle, right, may come back up a little bit and then drive down towards these levels, in which I'm looking to take partials at. So the idea was, can we get a resistance and a rejection, right? So we got that rejection right here, 30-minute or 1-hour close bearish. The next one, the next 30-minute candle or 1-hour candle really broke the low. That was my entry, and that was it. You know, for price to potentially reject here in these like highs, and then drive down here today. I'm also expecting a weak daily candle to come like any day now, right? So maybe this is our weaker daily candle. If we can flip bearish too and break the low, that'd be awesome, right? So we want to see if we can get some sort of a daily resistance here, because where's our nearest support at this point, right? We're way down here. So I would expect some sort of a resistance any day now. Today could be the day where you get this resistance for price to kind of give us some sort of retracement, right? Come down and give us a new support. So that's what I'm looking at here. Was looking at the idea of the rejection, and this candle closing bearish here, and then the 1-hour gave you a resistance. That's where I got in. Went about 45 pips in profit. and then back in a drawdown a little bit, and now just hanging around like, I don't know, 12 pips in profit or something. So yeah, so just gonna hold on to this, right? Just testing that idea out and seeing if it can actually work out here. I'm looking to see if we can get a potential booby trap slash like celery candle here. I really want to see if we could break that low. Once we break that low, it should be good. 1 hour candle closing up too. You could get a strong 1 hour closure here, and that should bring NY open back down. 15-minute close here too, so we'll see what's up. But may take another entry on the next 30-minute candle, right? If this candle can close weak bearish, may look to have another entry on the break of the lows there for like the celery play coming down. Oh damn, you fasting? That's alright. It'll be able to exercise your discipline muscle. He sold me on that cake. Stephen B went and got one. Holy. I dig that. Food reviews by Joe Stu. Food reviews. Yeah, I think he would be good at that. A lot of people make food reviews now. It's like a new thing. Like our boy Little Mott.
And you don't.
He's the original Don Dada.
I'm the original Don Dada.
Maybe Joe can follow in his footsteps. Guys, whoever's watching this live, no offense, you're missing out on so much. Learn whatever that is. Bro, if so much was happening over there, you wouldn't be over here.
And you don't.
How you doing? Take a hike. Your re-entry hasn't had a top wick. Why? Well, the 1 hour did. Oh, the re-entry? Like a new entry here? Yeah, I would still wait for a little bit of a top wick and then kind of close back and then break the lows. Just like any normal position. How you doing? So yeah, celery play type stuff would be nice here. We got 12 minutes for the NY open here. Yeah, 4 hour lows are down here, right? So I'm anticipating that if this candle here closes bearish now, right, at 9 a.m. So from 7 to 9, kind of do this rejection. And then from 9 to like 11, go ahead and fill that range there. Right? Those are our trading hours. So from 7 to 9, my idea was, well, if we were up here, then we might move down, which we did. And I could probably close partials here and it'd be a great trade. But I want to hold that just to continue testing the idea. And then from 9 to 11-ish, or really 9 to 10, 10:30-ish is when I expect the 4 hour to potentially fill this wick. And if we break that low, kind of tap into these levels right there. We'll see. We'll see. So the session bias is now created off the 4 hour chart, right? Because if we're always being married to the daily, we may miss opportunities, right? And there's a lot of opportunities sometimes that will be very, very nice, but we will lay off of them because we're married to that daily bias, right? So even if the daily bias is, let's say, bullish, right? And you're expecting the next candle to come down and move like this, right? The session bias may be bearish, right? Because if the 4 hour, let's say, closed bearish at, you know, this candle right here, then the 4 hour session bias, right, may move bearish here, and price can still come back up, right, for the daily later on. do something like this on the 4 hour. But like while we're here, if we're only trading these two candles, right? The last 2 hours of this candle and the first 2 hours of this candle, then why are we so married to the daily? Right? So that's one thing you know, always questioning why, right? Why does this happen? Why does that happen? Why is it 50% when a candle closes with no bottom wick? How come 50% of the time it rejects, and how come the other 50% of the time it drives, right? These are always questions that I'm running through my brain, trying to freaking figure these candles out, right? And get the best read on the market. And that way in 2-3 years from now, I can literally have something so concrete, not only for myself, but to teach and create literally 8-figure traders. So always learning, always growing, always studying, always questioning why does this happen, or why does that happen when this happens? There's a lot to untangle here, gang. I hope you're ready for the journey, right? Some of you guys say, I want to learn how to trade, but the real thing is you just want to make quick money. And you may make quick money, but it won't be for a long period of time, right? You really want to fall in love with the process. And some of you know damn well you're not willing to commit to this process, right? But those that are going to be 8-figure traders. So you got to figure out, where do you stand? Where do you stand? You're just going to show up and jump from stream to stream and take positions with people, not understand why those positions are being taken? Or you're going to, you know, man up, woman up, and begin to actually commit to the process. Trust the systems. That's my question for you, friend. Always learning, baby. Always growing. What up, C Melly? All right, 7 minutes left on the 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, all that. We get a closure below. You most likely see 8:15, 8 to 8:15, do something like this. Maybe give that candle a top wick, right? And then potential continue down. If you close back above, then we're back in this range, so who knows what we'll do. So hopefully we can stay below the range, and then that will give us some clean direction. All right, ideally, this is what you kind of want to see there. You just want to see, it's fine if that candle closes bullish, no top wick, if it leaves a wick, whatever. I think you'll see the next candle begin to move up bullish and then create that high and then potentially come back down. If you can get closures, bearish closures at some point, then that's where you should move. Yeah, man. So many plans, bro. Like, even just like when I think about the future and the hedge fund and developing traders and like having a scorecard and like looking at some of the best traders and being able to fly, you know, the top couple traders out and do like a YouTube like day in the life, you know what I mean? Like a day in the life of a TTE trader or something like that. And you got a whole itinerary ready for you. You got rented exotic cars, you know, we all meet up for dinner, have some fun. It's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be a good time. We'll have a whole day planned out for you and enjoy it, and someone will take you around, and yeah, we all link back up and have a big dinner. It's gonna be awesome, man. I'm telling you. TTE trips, could be a good time. We're just getting started. Promise you that. We're still babies, man. We're only 1 year in the game. Let's go, Arnie. Let's go, let's go. Hell yeah, some of you guys are gonna kind of stick out from the crowd and become educators within TTE and help out the new traders. And I can see the whole vision so clear. Everything was exposed to me in a vision not too long ago. And yeah, man, it's gonna be great. We're shooting promo in Dubai. We're shooting Promo content out in Dubai, man. Day in the life. Yeah, let's take a look at the NASDAQ here too. Holy. Well, damn. Move's done. No, just kidding. Let's take a look at NAS here. Daily time frame is on the run, right? We're about to break these lows here. Really got some intense bearish pressure coming in here. 4-hour candles broke the lows here. You're in a nasty range though, right? So you gotta be careful here with these sells. You're in a very nasty, choppy, sideways range, right? Candles have already done this. They've been down here, right? This candle can move and reject right back up. So this is an area in which you really want to wait for a closure. And then if you do get a closure, look at this. You got very, very clean candles coming down to the left-hand side here for a price to move very smoothly within this overall range here to the left-hand side. So you had a big move up. A lot of consolidation, right? A lot of consolidation for a little bit. Moves within that consolidation, but then I think the next big move comes when you get a nice candle closure back below that range there. So very, very bearish here. Starting to look very bearish based off of these breaks of these lows on the daily and on the 4-hour. But again, if you can get yourself, or if NAS can get itself to close below there, then I think that's where the party starts. So if you look to the left here, we also have a pretty strong resistance. Actually, I'm sorry, support. You got strong support all the way down to 8,200 here, right? So below that is very, very clean. That's where I'll wait to take my sells unless you get some sort of a move back up for the new 4-hour candle. Then we could take our sells from up there. But other than that, got to wait for closures. Clean zone to the left-hand side. That's the one I want to trade in. That's where the moolah's at today. Hey, what's up, Manelli? Thanks, Dean. Appreciate that, man. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, remember, always thinking, man. Remember what Earl Nightingale said, right? The biggest problem is simply men don't think. Thanks, man. Appreciate your support, brother. A day in the life. Buzz Blab on the day in the life of a TTE trader. Of a 6-7 figure TTE trader. We'll bring them in. We'll get them on the podcast. Can you see it, Buzz Blab? Can you see it now in the podcast room? Free flight out to Tampa. Hanging out. Jet skiing during the day. Rental car like a Ferrari or something to whip around through Tampa, through the city, downtown, meet up. Do your podcast, then we all meet up for some dinner, have a good time, man. Spend some fellowship outside by the fire later on in the backyard or at the compound. Whoo! Can you see it, Wags? AB Mike, can you see it, bro? Hey, what's up, Jay? Appreciate you, man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's good, though. Way to go out and, seek something different, see if something else clicks. That's part of the game, part of the progress. I can feel it. Let's go. I can feel it, too. Kelvin, you can see it? Yeah, I can see all you guys there. I can see all you guys there. It's not going to be easy, but it could be done. All right, 42 seconds. How are we going to close here? Will we close above, below, or right at it with no top wick? Scott can see it. Stephen B can see it. Yeah, man. Let's see if we can close a no top wick. That'd be awesome too. Next candle pop up here, make a top wick for these guys, and then head back down. Yeah, potentially. All right, candle closed right at that level there. So you did get a candle closure. We did get a bullish closure. Very little to no top wick. Should be able to come up and make a top wick now for this candle here. And then maybe reject. We'll see. A DJ Scratchers. Shout out to DJ Scratchers. Sitting in my Bugatti. Hey. Yeah, why not? Why not you? Chala. They make Bugattis for someone, why not you? One hour, no top wick. Yes, no top wick here on the 1 hour close. You may come up to make that top wick. We also kind of closed back in the range slightly there, but no top wick on the 30. So we'll see what happens. I would expect us to come up here and make a top wick on this candle. Dream car for the future? I would love the Ferrari 488 Pista. I like that car. I used to work for Ferrari, so I've driven that car so many times. That's the car I want. Yeah. I'm about to get my wife a new SUV. What is a good safe SUV for my wife and 3 kids? What do you guys think? Where's all my SUV car people at? I need to fit 3 car seats in the back. 3. The GLE. Nah, I need 3 car seats though. On some of these won't fit 3 car seats. I do like the GLE. We were looking at that one recently. Honda Odyssey. Oh. G63. Yo, it's coming. Yeah, that my wife will get that car soon. Not yet. Toyota minivan. That'll do it. The Urus. I like the Urus, man. The Urus is bad. Mom van XL 9000 Ultra. Yo, hit her with the surprise car. Here's your minivan. That guy TK. Wait, what does he have? Oh, the Range Rover. Yeah, that's another one we were looking at. The GLE, the Range. We need a nice big back seat. I kind of need what's it called? Pilot seats. Pilot seats. I don't have much time to go looking around and stuff. I need some good opinions. Trade? I'm in a trade already. I'm in this gold sell here. So we'll see if this works out. There's a little bit of rejection now, but I am anticipating the 4-hour candle here closing bearish. So I'm not looking for the big move on this 4-hour. I'm anticipating the next 4-hour candle should drive if if this guy sets up nicely, right? This is the setup candle. It's like John the Baptist. He set it all up for Jesus. This John the Baptist, my man right here. So if this one can close bearish, then I believe we set it up for the next 4-hour candle to run. Yeah, I'm gonna look into some of these. Denali. Ooh, Denali. GMC. Perfect. What time was this? This was at 8 o'clock. I'll come back to this live stream and take a look at all the recommendations and suggestions. How me and Maverick, we are doing fantastic, my friend. Thank you for asking. Thank you for asking. Maverick, man. Man went down the other day. You guys seen a little cut on his arm? Dude chopped up the arm real quick. Dude barely didn't even cry. Man like twisted his ankle. How to have a solid stop loss. Stop losses should go above like either structure or previous wick highs, things like that. Like if you have a confirmation candle, right, that looks like this and gives you like a decent high, the best stop, right, if you're expecting this candle to wick up and then drive down, the best stop in that situation will be sitting above this high. Because if you do wick up, right, and then break the low and then you get entered into the trade, and then let's say you fill that wick but then begin to reject, now you have an opportunity, you have room here to manage your trade and manage risk, right? So this space right here allows you room to manage. So let's say candle breaks the high, right? You can close partials or you can close full. Or let's say candle starts driving back up now after your 15-20 pips in profit, you can close maybe half at break even and then another, and then move your stop loss here, right? So now let's say you're risking 2%. If you close half at break even, right, after, and this, you can't do this if you're 5 pips in profit, but let's say you're 15-20 pips in profit and this does happen, you're risking 2%. You can close half right here at break even, so now you're only risking 1%, and then you can move your stop loss from here down to here, and that'll cut off another half, right? So now you're only risking like 0.5%. And that's how you can manage risk really well. And that's where you would put your stops for best case scenario. And let's say you just said, screw it, like it's either stop loss or TP. You know that if you do break that high up there, that's most likely where you're going to see a drive, right? So if price kind of breaks that high, comes back down, you know, does something like this, you probably have a different, you got like a shift in direction there. So stops above there would be probably the best place to put them. Also, if you have structure, right? So instead of leaving, let's say this is your previous high, if you have some sort of structure to the left or a new wick to the left hand side, then you could put your stops up there, kind of like mine are sitting right now above those highs. Would I consider the 30-minute celery? I would much rather see this 15 close bearish first. So I would wait 4 minutes and 50 seconds. I wouldn't have a sell stop yet. But let's say the 15 minute here closes bearish. Now you got 8:15 to 8:30 on your, ahead of you. And then I would do something like that and then take a sell on this candle, leave and stop somewhere back in the range here. Somewhere above the high here. Yeah, so this is what we kind of drew out. We're expecting to see. We want to see if we could break that low, right? We didn't break that low just yet. Oh, we still got get the Supra. I'll show up with my honey. We got a Supra. What do you mean we got a Supra? It's a replicate from Fast and Furious. What do you mean we got a Supra? What do you mean? What do I mean? Do you know how rare this car is? How are we gonna get the car seats in there? Can you check charts for stream? Yeah. Yes. Let's take a look. We got a chart. We got a chart. Would you take this position? Previous daily candle closed bearish. Current daily candle broke the previous daily. Wait. Current daily candle broke previous daily bearish candle, like the low. With GJ. Celery setup shown. Setup missed. Not in my trading time. Is it valid? Would you enter here? So previous daily candle closed bearish. What about the 4 hour? How would the 4 hour look? Looks like the 4 hour is bullish too, right? I would assume. This looks like the 4 hour candle here, then the new 4 hour low. Yeah, so if you, let's say, I think you're referring to if the next bullish candle broke the highs, right? Like this. Yeah, that wouldn't be a bad trade right there. Something like that. Is that what you're referring to? Looks good. I would like to see that candle close too. That way you got a new support. And then stops are below the lows here. I'm assuming that's the 4 hour bottom wick. Just by the looks of these 1 hour candles here. Yeah, I think I would take that. Oh, nice. Beautiful. Looks like we're getting ready to run here now. See if we can break the low. Toyota Tacoma. Okay, okay. Hey, I have a question. Well, the chat is you can ask the question, Stefan. Yeah, you could just ask it. What up, Energy? What's good? What's good? Yo, top one, man. Top one came through. Just paid out over 100K in payouts. 100K. Someone just got almost a 12K payout with them. That's pretty solid. Pretty solid. That must have been on a. I wonder what size account that was. Might have been a 200K. What up, Bait? Let's get Bait D. Bait D. All right, well, we're coming back down here. We'll see if we can break the lows. I've been in this trade since this bullish candle here at 6 a.m. Went into profit about like 40 pips. Came back, so we're seeing if we can continue down. Really anticipating this 4 hour candle. Let me go over here to set up for the next 4 hour candle, right? And kind of move down like these candles did. So again, not really anticipating the bigger move on this current candle, but seeing if this one could set things up for the next candle. was blab. Wenergy. Oh, nice. Infinity. Oh, no way. Has 3 rows in the back. All right, Richard. We'll take a look. Where could I trade real account? Wherever you want. Just set up an account with a broker. I use Tradeovate, so you can set up with them. VW. Oh, I'm gonna take a look at that one. Is that what you have? Cause you got some. You need some space too, man. I work for Infinity. Don't go with him. Oh, okay. All right. Well, there it is. Don't just say that because your boss was like, he had that little tickle in his throat this morning when you showed up a few minutes late. Once you got enough time and money on your hand, you go, boss, something wrong with your throat? What's up with you? You all right? You want to take a sick day? But when you don't have the time and the money and you're not in control, you're like, sorry, sir. There was an accident on the road. Come on, don't you want to just bully your boss? Who wants to bully their boss a little bit? Something wrong with your throat there, sir. Nazier. Let's see how I want to see how the 4-hour closes here on NASDAQ, but we are just bleeding away here, man. My mentor would joke about making enough money to eventually quit your job and walking into your boss's office with a mistletoe hanging from the back of your belt buckle in the back. Just telling him to kiss it on the way out. Some of you guys will get that joke later. Yeah, he'd be like, yo, just tie a mistletoe to the back of the belt buckle, tell him you're out of here, and just have him kiss it on the way. Oh man. Take trade, please. We're already in a trade, so maybe we'll take another one here in a little bit. Oh look, we're breaking the lows here now. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Really want that low to break though. That's the low. Imagine that. You tell your boss to kiss it on the way out, and all of a sudden he hears like 150 people in the parking lot cheering your name. He looks outside the window. There's a big Hummer stretch limousine waiting to pick you up with your wife and kids out front. Holy, you might change his life. All right, there's the low. So now we broke that low there. So yeah, that should be good to come down. See if we can visit this 4-hour low down here. Would I have entered on the 1-hour flip? Yes, with our new session bias, yeah. Yeah, I may have wanted to see a top wick because, like, for this candle, but I can't say for sure, but yeah, knowing what we know now, I think so. Are you in a trade? Yeah, I'm in this trade here. I've been in since like 6 a.m. Sitting, I think we got about 63 pips on this trade so far. So I'm just testing ideas out here, so just gonna hang on to this. Want to see how the 4-hour candle closes, and probably just gonna hold this. Can you explain the idea of the confirmation that you execute? Yeah, it was pretty much off the 1 hour. You see this 1 hour, so got to the desk and the 4 hour was like way up here. So again, understanding that if I'm only trading the last 2 hours of this 4-hour candle and the first 2 hours of the next one, that means I'm trading from 7 to 9. So when I come to the charts in the morning, I want to anticipate what the current 4 hour is going to do from 7 to 9. So when it was sitting way up here, I had a pretty good idea that if we're at this level of resistance plus this area of rejection, that most likely from 7 to 9 we would move down, right, to kind of do some sort of a pullback. So that was my anticipation there. Now I'm also going to be here from 9 to about, let's say, 11, right? So from 9 to 11 in today's case, I'm also looking for price to go down. So this day I have the same bias from 7 to 9 and 9 to 11. Now I am going to anticipate the next candle to move back up a little bit, right, and do something like this before heading back down. So got to make a top wick and then potentially going to drive here. So that's kind of like where my take profit is, based off of potentially this candle setting things up, right? This guy right here setting it up for this guy here. And I just happened to, you know, squeeze an entry out at a 1 hour 15-minute closure at 6 a.m. and stops are kept above these highs here. So does that make sense? When you come to the desk, you want to say, hey, what will the 4 hour do now from 7 to 9? And that's going to kind of be your bias. So once you can get candles closing and obviously you still need the playbook, you still need all that stuff. You need the entry types, you need the setups and everything there. If you guys missed some of what we talked about conditions, go back. Honestly, I don't know what time that was, but at some point earlier in the stream, we talked about conditions and how the conditions determine the edge and all that good stuff. But now once this candle closes, now I'm going to be here from 9 to 11, right? So now I want to anticipate, hey, from 9 to 11, where could I see the next candle go? So let's say this candle closes just the way it looks now. I would anticipate the next one, again, making that top wick and then beginning to move down, break these lows, and tap back into the support level. So that's kind of the idea. You know, that's the idea. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Just takes a little bit more time now. Does that make sense? Any questions on that? There's a lot we could talk about, to be honest. There really is. And I love talking about this stuff, but if you guys have questions, let me know. So now what you want to see is this candle potentially be able to close below here, right, in 6 minutes. If you can get a closure below there, that'd be great. Yeah, 1 hour is looking pretty good though, especially breaking those lows there. Because look, if this candle creates resistance, then now we know there's an 85% chance that support will get tapped on the next candle, right? So that's kind of the idea. That's why the TPs are sitting down in that range, that we drive back into that wick area on the 4 hour, which is really just that major support there on the 30-minute time frame. How do you calculate pips? You have to use this measuring tool right here, and that's how you calculate them. Yeah, this trade I could have taken partials on it already. Yep. If I was trading normal size, yes. Yeah, it's a small size, so I'm just letting it run, just testing the idea out here. Probably would have took some partials right down here at the break of these lows here. But because it's a small position, just gonna let it rock and see if the next 4-hour candle can push down into that support there. Yeah, because we need volume, right, to get us through here. This is all choppy area here, so we need volume. We came down here, we didn't really break through it, so that would be where I would take partials if I had like a normal bigger size position going. Take trade fast, please. All right. Hey, OGH, reducing that size. Sometimes you're able to see things a little bit more clear, think a little bit more clear. Yep. Yeah, I'm currently about 32 pips up. I think I've seen about 63 pips there. What up, parking lot? We always take trades. Subscribe fast. Fast. Oh, John's in the house. Yeah, we got 8:30 coming here too. Brother John is here. Let's do a Brother Joe check again for the second time. Joe check. Whoa, 1, 2. Joe check, 1, 2, 1, 2. Joe check. Nothing. But John's here with us. What up, John? S to unmute. All right, unmute. There you go. Joey Stu check. How you doing?
Yo.
That's good.
Poppin'. How you doing?
Fantastic. How you doing?
Doing absolutely incredible, brother. Grateful to be alive today.
Amen. Me too. I dig it.
Get it. What up, chat? It's poppin'. How you guys doing today? Happy Tuesday. Best day of our life today. That's right, Stephen B.
Best day
Claim
of
it.
our life.
Speak it into existence.
Yeah. Johnny Boom Bots.
Scotty boy. What up, Scott? What up, Wags? Energy?
Wags in the house. About to be on that TTE Day in the Life on the YouTube channel.
OGH.
Wags?
Oh, yeah. Y'all. You already know. You already know what's in store. Gotta change the game.
The game.
Yo, Buzz Blab, OG. Calvin. What up, Calvin? Yeah, we just getting started this week, y'all.
Yes, sir.
That's what I like to hear, Wags. You're already living it. You're already living the dream, bro. The law of assumption.
Can't be denied. All right, cool. So we did close below there on the 30. Looks like. Oh, we still got 17 seconds. All right, so you got a candle to close. We did close below below that support there. So again, we're in this choppy territory now. So we're gonna need this volume, right? We're gonna need all the volume we can to push price through this chop here. So if we can get through there, that'd be awesome. May be able to fill that wick. You may come back up. Who knows? 4 hour may want to leave a decent wick here. So price can go anyway. But we did close below. But again, we are in a bit of a chop. So not the best for a new position. But if this one could blast through there, that'd be fantastic.
Neil, that's awesome, brother. Count your blessings. Let's go.
Blessings.
What up, Sandman? It's good.
How was your night, John?
Oh, my night was good, man.
How were them tacos?
Oh, they were amazing. Amazing, bro. Me and my lovely lady cooked some tacos last night.
Okay.
And then we cake. So that was really good as well.
Very good.
Yeah, man.
You got cake?
Yep. We made some red velvet cake.
Oh, okay. Okay.
She made it.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
Really good.
You didn't bring any over for me though.
Hey, yo, my bad, bro. I didn't think you wanted that.
Save it for Friday, maybe.
All right, bet.
Save
My
some
bad.
for Joe, I
Should hit you up.
Hope you save some for Joe.
Oh, nah. Definitely not.
Joe's gonna be like, where's the cake? Joe's in Fort Myers right now, so he's gonna come up. Did someone have cake in here this weekend?
He's gonna freaking he's gonna smell it like a crack addict. He gets home. I think he gets home like.
They're coming home today, right?
Nah, tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow? Oh, wow.
Yeah, Buzz Blab, those tacos slapped, bro. Can't lie. Especially after a long day walking at the mall. Those were slapping.
Slap.
Joey Stew's the Cookie Monster.
All right, I'm going to close this position here. Wait for the new 4 hours. So got about 50 pips on the head on that position there. So close up shop. Gonna wait on the 4 hour now and see if we can, because we would expect the candle to, it might push down a bit now, but I would expect it to have a pullback, right? A little bit of a pullback, and that's gonna happen, you know, at like 8:45-ish if it does happen. So yeah. Dum, 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 dum. What up, Sam, man? What's good? What's good? So 7 to 9 worked out again, man. That's 7 to 9 here, right? Worked out once again. That's like 4 days in a row there. So yeah, we're on top of this concept here, man. Yeah, it's an idea that we knew about. But what'd you say? No, I just closed the full thing.
Okay.
It's an idea we always knew, but the way we're trading it is a little bit different now with true intent and logic behind it based off of the 4 hour candles, right? So that's something exciting that we'll continue to dive into, to study, to dial in with. And this is the work, gang. You know, this is the process of really just becoming better as a trader and just learning new concepts, new ideas, and really just always questioning why. right? The main thing is why. Again, you know, even to the point where like you have a candle close and no bottom wick, 50% it drives down, 50% of the time, 50% of the time it drives up. Well, why? Why does it drive up 50% of the time? Why does it drive down 50% of the time, right? These are things that I want to pick at as a trader, and I want to be like a little annoying kid that just started to learn how to talk, right? He just, why, right? That's how you want to be as a trader. You want to always question, why is this happening? Why does this go down when that happens, right? And all this stuff, right? So that's kind of like where we're at, man. Continuous learning journey, and this is the newest idea on the block.
Thanks.
Perez in the house. Where's my crumble?
Perez.
Dang, have it.
Crumble. Where's my crumble cookie?
Hold on. Yeah, we may push down still until 8:45. Crazy. Can you explain 7 to 9? Yeah, just 7 to 9 is basically the, like, if we're only trading from, let's say, 7 to 11, then all we really care about is, let's say these are the 4-hour candles. All we really care about is this, right? This is the bias. We don't want to marry the daily bias. We want to really get in sync with the 4-hour bias. So if the last 2 hours on this candle here is 7 to 9, which is the time I just happen to, or 7 is the time I just happen to get to the chart, and let's say this is what it looks like at 7 a.m. right? I'm not expecting a pullback now. I'm expecting a wick fill, right? So I'm going to be bearish from like 7 to 8:45. I would expect that this candle would now begin to break that low and fill the wick, right? And that's where I'll take my partials, all that good stuff, and then potentially a pullback. And now you got 9 to 7 or 9 to 11, right? So let's say now this is how the candle closes. You already took a sell, and now 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. is coming. So now what you're doing is you're anticipating how the next candle will move in that first 2 hours. That's it. So what will this one do, right? Or I'm sorry, what will this 7 to 9 candle do, which is right here? So let's say that 7 to 9 candle looks something like this at 7 a.m. Well, then I'm gonna look to actually be bullish, right? Now I'm not just gonna call the bottom, right, and say, oh, this is the bottom. I'm gonna look for a potential support on the 15 or on the 30-minute time frame, expecting that from 7 to 9, this candle will begin to pull back, right? To do what? To leave a wick for the next candle. So therefore, I'm going to be bullish, but then from 9 to 11, I'm going to switch my bias and be bearish, right? So now I'm expecting the top wick, and then same thing. Once I get a resistance on the 15 or the 30-minute time frame with high volume in, that's when I take my bullish hat off, put my bearish hat on. We break that low. I'm anticipating that wick to be filled. All that's going to look like on the on the 30-minute time frame is something like this. Boom, boom, boom. Right? You get a pullback, because you got to leave that 4-hour a wick, right? And then all you're looking for at this point is a confirmation, something like this, some sort of rejection, right? And then now you take your sells, because this wick right here is this wick right here. Well, let me use a different color. See this? Hold on. This wick, that's this move right here up. So now if you're expecting the next candle to fill that wick, what do you need to see? You need to see a top wick. So what does that look like? Something like this. Resistance formed, and then our sells are on the next candle, moving back down to fill that wick, aka retest that support to the downside. It's a very simple concept. You just got to continue to see it, watch it play out, understand it, back it with logic, and that's it. Right? Again, you're not looking to call the low. You're just understanding if the 4-hour candle looks like this, right? When you get to the desk, a huge candle, you would expect that candle to potentially pull back. But again, you still need the playbook positions to show their hand, right? So at that point, you want to see, like, let's say this is your move down on the 4-hour, and now if we're expecting it to move back, so it's 7 a.m. Eastern now. I just get to the desk. If I see something like this, then I'm going to anticipate, okay, this is most likely going to be the pullback for that 4-hour to leave a wick. So as we pull back, those are your buys, right? And it's okay if you don't understand it, because this is counter trend too. So this is a little bit risky, right? But understanding the logic behind it about what the 4-hour candle needs to do. Now look, and this is what I was telling someone yesterday, if this candle closes like this, then there's nothing there for us, right? Or for me, right? At that point, I'm just going to wait for the next 4-hour and take my sells. But if you get a solid support, you know, something like this, now you got room, right, to potentially take a position here. So that's where you can take those buys, expecting that candle to pull back. Like right now, you should be looking at buys, right, for the candle to pull back. What is it doing? Pulling back. Does it have a confirmation yet? It does not, right? So once you get this candle to potentially close back above, right, if it wasn't so choppy, that's where you go take your buys, right? And then once it comes up here, you know, that means that the 4-hour candle closes, let's say, like right around here. Say it closes right around here. Now you would anticipate the next candle to move up, right, and then come down. So you'd be looking for your sells around like 9:15, 9:30. Yeah, see how we can't get through the chop here? And knowing what we know about candles, that's why I closed the position there, because knowing what I know about candles, this one may drive, but at 8:45 is when we should begin to pull back, right? So that way we can leave that wick for this 4-hour candle that we're talking about. Did I close full? I closed full, yeah. Hello. How you doing?
Lazy.
Go ahead, go. I'll be right back too. 1 second.
All right, looks like it's just me and you, chat. So it's good. How's you guys' morning been, or day, or afternoon? I know we're all in different time zones. So how's everyone's day going? What'd you guys do today? The volume has been woken. Facts, BuzzBlab. It was a pretty chill day here for me today. I just did some journaling, a little bit of positive self-talk, and hit the charts. Hey, let's go, Scott. First day back in the gym. How was it, bro? What'd you hit? All right, Buzz Blab, let's get it. What'd you hit in the gym today, Buzz Blab? That sounds pretty good too. Back day, nice, Scott, nice. Hey, made 50 pips this morning. Let's get it, bro. Let's get it. Whole day, nice, bro. Nice. What's good, Jake? Yeah, I feel like I like to, when I like to work on myself, I like to focus on these 4 key areas to make habits around, which is my mind, my body, my spirit, and then my finances. And I like to engrave habits that involve all those areas that I can do every single day, so I can get 1% better in all those areas. Let's go, Paras. PRs every new day. What's up, Christian? Without purpose. Let's get it.
Wow, Nazier going downtown. All right. First one here in August 2024. Hey, chat.
April, bro.
Oh, I'm sorry, April. Hey, anytime there's a 1 next to the trade, that means the trade was now taken on stream. So we're not gonna update the record for that trade, but anytime you guys are like, let's say, going back and looking at the trades on the YouTube, if you can't find it, look for the 1 over here, and that means that the entry was not on the live stream. This trade entirely wasn't on the live stream, but at least this one you can kind of see it on the live stream. Okay. Oops. August. Holy.
We're not there yet, bro.
We're not that guy. We're not there yet.
You're not that guy.
Look at this one. Look at this. The last trade in April, I thought we were in February. Wow. What's today? The 2nd? Wait, what am I doing here?
Last April we had OD trades. Damn. We just getting started.
Yeah, last April was good. 4/2/24. That was. Oh. 5% on that too. Gotta love trading your own capital. And that was like super small risk.
Nothing like it, bro.
No. Yeah, April last year was sick, dude. I think we lost 2 trades last April. 2 Bs, everything else was great. Oh no, yeah, 2 trades. 29 pips and 22 pips.
Usman, bro, catch us at the at the TT meetup.
Oh,
Let's
guitar.
go.
Yeah, that's right, the guitar. Nice, Perez. Hitting PR, let's go. Green will be proud of you.
Greenery. What up, Green?
Mic volume low. How about now? Mic check 1 2. Joe check 1 2 1 2 2 1.
Joey
1
Stu
2
check.
1 2. Joe Stu counting them sheep. Do you do
He's counting
mentorship,
them.
boss? Yeah, we got two spots left open for the elite program. If you guys are interested in the elite program, you can come to timetoeattrading.com, go to coaching, and click the elite mentorship here. Go down here, and then you can read a little bit more about it. And if you want to rock with me for 2.5 weeks, I'm sorry, 4 to 4.5 weeks, let me know, baby. I'm ready to work.
Be ready to get busy.
We got graduation coming up here in about a week for the elites from March, who have really been outstanding, have made so much progress. So yeah, getting April's batch of elites ready to go now. Yeah, we only fill up six spots for the elite program, but every month we renew it. Let's go, Usman. Book the flight. Book the flight. So just as anticipated, here comes the pullback here on the at 8:45. You guys see that? 8:45 pullback. Just clockwork, man. This is what consistency can do for you. You know, showing up to the charts every day, taking it serious, studying candles. There was very little to no top wick on that candle as well. Now it's got a top wick. So all these ideas, if you guys are really, really honing in and crafting your skill set here, man, you guys are going to be killers in the next like 6-7 months.
Major.
Who's ready to be a TT 8-figure trader? That's what I want to know.
Oh, let's go. Someone's got to do it.
Sandman, I could see Sandman in the hedge fund office building on the top floor where the 8-figure traders hang out.
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
Yeah.
No doubt about that, bro.
The 8-figure traders are going to be hanging out at the top floor. You guys ever seen Billions?
That's big facts.
Q2, here we are. Yeah, Q2. Congrats all you guys that made it through Q1. And now we move into Q2, which is trading season.
I'm going to be shaking Sandman's hand after he just made eight figures in a trade.
You made how much? I'm
taking him out to lunch.
Vero Beach. How far is that from you? Let's take a look. That is 125 miles away, 2.5 hours. Holy! I'll see you on the next trip. Yeah, Florida's big, man. Florida's underrated how big it is. I'm gonna get in next month. All right, man. I look forward to all the elites. I love hanging out with the elites. I love getting eyeball to eyeball. There's no pre-recorded BS, nothing. It's me and you, eyeball to eyeball for 4 weeks straight, 3 to 4 times a week, getting down to brass knucks, man. Explain more about the entry. Is so good. It was a good entry. I'm actually very proud of that entry here today. I think we did really well with that idea and that concept, and it's just the beginning. We did really well on all of our sample sizing over the past like 2 weeks as well. So yeah, man, I'm feeling good about it. We also had that move. So check this out too. So this candle here, this was a really good entry to get, right? So you had the 4-hour candle move up, and then we got to the desk. You see how it's 6 a.m., 7 a.m. is this next candle. Remember, what will the 4-hour candle do from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m.? And if the 4-hour candle is extremely bullish, like this one was, right? Then from 5 to 7, we made this big move up, right? So from 7 to 9, am I expecting to continue moving up? Most likely not, right? So I'm expecting candle to pull back now, right? So that way it can leave a wick for the next candle. So again, once you're able to identify a confirmation like this, right, now your sell is right there on the low. Boom. This also looked really good on the 30-minute. I think this was a 30-minute celery play. Yeah, you see it right here? So that was your entry right there. Boom, 30-minute celery play. What time did it happen? 8 a.m. High volume time. Boom, boom. Where did it go? Till 9 a.m. Bam. Right, next candle, 4-hour candle, actually moved bearish that day. But then look, so the following day, so now that was one day, right? And if you look at the following day, same thing happened. 4-hour candle moved up, and now at 7 a.m. we're anticipating the candle to create, to move down, right? To create that wick. So we're waiting for a confirmation like this, right? A resistance or a celery or some type of good playbook entry. But what happened? What happened here? We got this candle to close, but look how it closed. See how much it pushed before we actually got a confirmation. So at that point, there's no sell. You know, there's no, that scratch the idea, right? This candle did not allow you to do that, right? Because it didn't give you much room. See how we kind of faded out after that? So you got to really take a look at how the candles are closing and making sure the actual setup is there for you to take a position. What would we call this? This would be what? Overextended, right? This would be a little bit overextended for my liking. So I wouldn't take these sells. But these guys here, money. Right? So when you're looking at 7 a.m. or 9 a.m. or whatever it is, and look, this concept will work for you, whether you trade the Asian session, whether you trade London or New York, right? Because if you're only kind of trading that 1 4-hour candle, then all you have to do is build that bias off of the 4-hour and kind of get an understanding, right? Once you begin to really understand candlesticks and what they're designed to do, that's when this concept will begin to make more and more and more sense to you. we're gonna be at the penthouse, bro. Do we trade NQ? Yes. Yeah, but not today. Well, we may trade it today. Oh man. Wow. Yeah, there's a lot of bearish volume here. You got this whole range here to cover. Have I read Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl? Yes. It was quite a few years ago. I remember it having a pretty big impact on me though. So I would probably say, yeah, I'd probably say give it like a 8. Yeah, see, today's sells were money too, because that's where you got that 1-hour resistance here. So once this candle formed and got that top wick, remember the 4-hour moved up, right? So now I'm anticipating that it's going to pull back, but I can't take the sell, right? I can't call the top. I got to wait for a confirmation. So once this candle closed, that's when I took my sell on the break of the low there, right? And then closed down here. But that's the idea, is that you're anticipating that 4-hour candle in that case, when it's overextended, to begin to pull back. Look at current 15-minute candle, pulled back. Yep. What up, Futures Frank? How you doing? Nice job, man. Sells on NAS. Beautiful.
I love the name.
How many days did it take for your deposit to hit trade ovate? 40 minutes. Yeah, it didn't even take a day.
Nice.
Oh yeah, you know what? The first time I deposited 100 just to make sure it would go through safely, and I had to message their support team. They needed like one document from my business before they were able to like put it through. So I would contact their support and just ask them, hey, I sent money through a wire or however you did it. I did it through a wire. If you did ACH, it may take like up to a week, but if you did the wire, it should be good in like less than 2 hours. So if it's been a couple days, maybe just hit them up. They're probably missing a document or something, and send that in. And then when I deposited the second deposit, which was like the bigger money, 10K, That only took like 40 minutes and it was in there. So just check with them. You'll be good. When did you get in on sells? I got in at 6 a.m. here. Or 7 a.m. I think it was. 6? Yeah, 6 a.m. Yeah, my entry was right here. Went into profit. I went back into drawdown a little bit. And then back into profit. And then closed it at 50 pips. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. 4-hour candle has closed. It did pull back just like we anticipated that to happen. Now we're up here, right? So we need a 4-hour top wick on this candle. So I'm anticipating that price will most likely move up here, and then if we can create some sort of resistance, then we could look for a new sells, right? So possible move up right here, maybe get a fake out or something right around here, and now you can anticipate that the daily candle will, or the 4-hour candle, I'm sorry, will begin to fill its wick, which is also this range here, right, on the 30-minute time frame. So that's what I would anticipate happening. That's the trade idea. Clip it, and let's see if it works out.
Clip it.
I'll never go back to Forex.
Hell no.
Yeah, or this candle here does something like this. And then there may be an opportunity, but I think I will let that one pass because it's a lot of rejection. So I want to see some sort of a move up first and then the move down. Yeah. What you doing today, John? What are you doing today?
That's a good question. I haven't really thought about it. Probably gonna do something.
What is today? Tuesday?
Maybe mini golf or something.
Mini golf. Damn.
I was thinking of going to Epperson too, but
What's the weather looking like today?
all right, what do you think? Gorgeous. Yeah, it should be in the 80s by noon. Yo, Chad, what should I do? Should I go to the lagoon, a man-made beach, or should I go mini golfing? Someone pick for me. I'm indecisive.
The lagoon is lit. How much they want to go there?
I think for like an all day, it's like with the activities and all day, it's like 35. But I think without the activities, it's just 25.
Oh, you just get the unactivity one and then you just do the activities.
Yeah, right.
You gotta be a big
I'm sure
kid.
the activities.
You guys gotta be like a big kid and just like mesh yourself in there.
Yeah, facts.
This is the lagoon he's talking about here, chat. Doot, doot, doot. This place is sick. I went down that slide mad times. They said it was only for kids. I said I am a kid.
Bro, I'm going on that. That's the only reason why I want to go. So.
Yeah, this place is like 5 minutes from my crib. It's pretty sick. On Sundays, they'll have the football games on, and it's all man-made.
It's huge.
They got cool obstacle course, little swim-up bar. Green would like this.
I need to go down that slide though.
What the heck is this? So Toyota
If they
commercial?
tell me it's just for kids, I'm gonna
Oh,
be
it
like
says a
I'm
Mazda
12.
commercial. Yeah, nah, this place is sick. Yeah, they have a community here too that me and my wife are looking in.
Yeah.
Nice community.
If you live there, you get the pool, right? You get the
You get
lagoon.
access to it, yep. All day, every day.
The
Yeah,
road,
man.
the road leading to it is gorgeous as well.
Yeah. Yeah, I did this. It was mad fun. I was the only adult on the line.
You went down that a couple of times, right?
Yeah. All the kids thought I was like the coolest guy in the world. They're like, yo, oh my God. They're like, yo, where's your wristband? I'm like, what? Wristband. TTE party at the lagoon?
TT meetup at the lagoon, boy.
Someone said, screw mini golf.
It's October. Yeah, right? Mini golf compared to that? Sheesh.
Am I concerned about news at 10 a.m.? No, not as of right now. But I just want to see how price action unfolds here. I want to see a little bit of a leg up here, right? Some sort of a closure again, like this candle, but like no top wick, something like that. Now the issue now is this chop to the left, right? So we kind of moved through the clean range and have been rejecting off the chop. So we really got to see some sort of closures where there's a lot of volume in to say, okay, we should be good to move through all this. Other than that, if you can't get a clean setup now, you got to wait for 22.48 here.
Yeah, not the cleanest price action today.
Not down here now. If you got the entry where I had it from up there, then yes, it was a pretty clean move down, but now you're kind of in this area here. Hit the... Yeah, it is pretty dope.
Thanks,
Lagoons are puddles in the UK. Where's Yanosh today? Where is Yanosh? Where are the mods out here today? I see
Yanosh.
Mike. I see Scott C in the house. Get the Mazda. TK's in the building. Where are the mods at? George VDM is here, of course. Hey, yo, buy the Mazda. I don't think that's going to be able to fit us.
Yo, facts, wags. We'll always be little kids, bro. Going down the rides, the slides.
I actually have a video of that. I made this little kid make a
Yeah,
video.
show them.
I said, hey, man, hold my phone.
Leave some more.
Take a video. Let's see if I can find it for y'all.
Yeah, try to find that, dude.
All
It's
you do is
hilarious.
you see me just whipping down. Big kid.
No.
Oh, yeah, here it is.
Mm.
You guys won't be able to hear it.
Nah, look at the little kids in the background.
Hold on, can you guys see this?
Video's hilarious. The video of Nick going down the slide.
Look at the kids. You know, the kids, dude. They look straight. Saw that. Did a little hop step and all that. Did a little bounce on it. Did like boom.
Little kid leaning on the thing.
Try to get a running start.
Yeah. That's hilarious.
I was like, hold my phone, little man. Little butthead.
You were like flying down the slide.
Big.
You just see an adult come down the slide while there's like a line of kids.
And then you look over and you see Joe at like the donut shop over there on the
After missing another session.
Oh man. Z Gamer's in the house. What up, Z Gamer?
You gamer. Bro, if he was at our hedge fund, bro, he'd get fired by now, dude.
Oh yeah, he would have been fired.
He would have been fired like a month ago. Maybe 2.
It's been about 5 weeks now since we've seen Joe here. I asked him the other day. I said, "What are we at, bud? What are we at? Week 5 at this point?" He was like, nah. Do better. Do better, Joe Stewart. Do better." All right. 30-minute candle pushing down here. Never broke the highs. 15's going to close in 4 minutes. 1 hour moving down nice. Big Joe. Oh, Nightbot's in the house. How you doing, Nightbot?
How you doing?
How you doing? Where's the original Don Dada at? I don't see the Don today. Is the Don here?
Don't.
What up, LeGrand? LeGrand in the house. Joe is hilarious. Hey, people want to see more food reviews by Joe Stewart.
That's what he needs to do.
We got to give them what they want. Where can I enter my new trade? Me no speak English. Wow, look at Nas. Driving. Sheesh. Wow. Every time I look at Nas, I just seem to say, wow. Oh my God. Whoa.
Yes.
Those are the pronouns for Nas. Wow, oh my gosh, and whoa. Oh, and holy.
And damn.
All right, 4 hour candle is looking good. Yeah, Nas, if you got a top wick on that, that would have been great. But this is a 4 hour candle, so you really want to see a top wick. I got 2 bros myself, love poking at each other. Hey, you gotta push them to greatness, you know what I mean? Sometimes you gotta rub them the wrong way. You gotta make them mad.
Yep. It's for their own good, you know?
Yep. That's what I do to John sometimes.
Sure.
But he gets better. He does better.
Do better.
Tell Joe, do better.
We need Joe back in the chat, right? Like, come on.
Oh, Joe's
Live.
back in the chat, all right. Calling on Joe Stewart. Where are you?
Oh, see.
I'm here, bro.
Yeah,
I'm
that
here.
picture,
I promise.
That pig, man.
I'm here. I'm here. Opens his eye, like, types something out, like, I'm wide awake right now. I'm at the gym. You guys think I'm not listening? Right back to bed. You guys can play it off in the chat, man. No cameras on you. Well, at least that's what you think. TK's in on your camera right now, and we can see you. Wake up, man.
Yo, facts. Right, Groomsmith? Does he not look so comfortable, though, in that picture? Like, perfectly wrapped up and snuggled.
Why do you think I keep looking over this way? TK keeps sending me screenshots of y'all. He's in your camera, man.
DK logged into Joe's computer and took that picture.
Where you at? All right, lovely. So who took the move down, like the premature move down? Right, we really want to see a move up here first. So you want to see something, you want to see the reaction that we get right here. Oh wow, I literally thought I just seen Joe Stewart, but it was Christian saying, Joe Stewart, where are you? Got the 4-hour top wick. Nice. Yeah, so I'm glad I closed partials there when I did. And you guys know the reason why, right? It was, I think it was 8:34, and there was 6 minutes left, or actually 10, 11 minutes left for the new 15. And we would expect that 15, right? This is something that we've always done, right? For those of you guys who have been with us since the very jump, you all know that we understand that 845 candle is typically going to be that pullback candle. So no need to stay in that trade at that point. That's why I closed that sell and then just say we'll wait. Right now we'll wait. So the 15-minute candle closed here, and now we'll see if we get the rejection. Patience. Let's go ahead and redraw and do a quick top-down analysis again. So we closed above here on the 4-hour chart, right? If we're looking at the 4-hour candles, we created support, we moved up, we had a resistance here, we closed above, right? Then this candle moved up, broke the highs, created a new all-time high, and then began to reject. And then what did it do? It closed below, right? So it closed back below the range. Therefore, you're looking at what? A fake out, right? So you got a fake out right here on the 4-hour time frame. And now you're looking to come up to create this top wick before potentially driving down. The problem arises right here, where you see how these lows are respecting each other. Low, higher, higher. So you want to see those lows break at that point, at this point now, to really say, hey, the 4-hour candle can begin to really move down hard, right? So that's why we're battling in this area. If you look at the 1 hour, battling in this area. If you look at the 30-minute, there's a battle going on. See, we can't break through here. So we really want to see if we can come up a little bit now, right, based off the 15-minute time frame, and create some sort of a new resistance, right? If you create a new resistance right here, then that means that at 9:30, which is in about 12 minutes, that's where you should get a top wick and then refill, come down and fill that range there. So that's kind of what you're looking at. That's the next opportunity ahead. If this candle wants to keep moving up, then so be it. Got to wait for that resistance. So that's kind of the idea that's sitting in front of us now. So we'll see. Again, we want to see how price reacts here. If we reject and close bearish, then that may mean that we're in for another move down. If this candle closes like this, then there's no move for me, because we're at the bottom at that point. So there's no move there. We want to see that candle close like somewhere up here. Just put a piece of tape over your camera. There you go. Guard your cameras, kids. Nas bleeder, yeah. Joel's going to the gym. He's ready to make a comeback. Took a buy in London, closed at all-time high. Nice, Marcus. Let's go.
Oh, Marcus.
Tape won't help. Wipe some concrete on there, some wet concrete. Then you'll be alright. Yeah, if the candle ends up doing this too, this is your opportunity for like an impulse entry. So like at that point, your impulse entry now is on, because you got 930 coming, high volume. Your impulse entry is on the break of that low. So as candle comes down, right, breaks the low, that's your entry right there. And we'll sample size that today. We won't. I won't take that position today, but I will be open to sample sizing that idea and seeing if that plays out. Chat got motion or what, man? Chat got slow motion today. We had motion early in the morning, and all of a sudden we just got slow motion. Slow motion.
This price action's giving us slow motion, dog. Chat, we in motion. We got motion.
Chilling, bro.
Chilling.
Just fooling with y'all, man. Just messing with you guys.
Yo, facts, chat. Today's a chill day. Can't lie. Chill day at the best.
Pump it up. Pump it. I need a hype man up here. Pump it up. Pump it up.
Yo, chat though.
Y'all want to party like we do?
Who would actually be interested in like vlogs, like a day in the life from like Nick or something like that?
Y'all don't want to see my life. You guys don't want to see a day in my life.
How many of you guys would watch that? Because I was thinking like yesterday I could have literally vlogged that. People would probably watch. Shout out Little Mo. Yeah, right? That would be sick. Facts. Day in the life of Joe Stewart.
That's something I would watch. Day in the life of Joey Stew. How you doing?
How you doing?
Joe is the original Don Dada. You know that, right?
I'm the original Don Dada.
Yeah, so don't jump the gun on the sells here, chat. Remember, this concept is not about calling the high, right? Trying to say this is the high or that's the high. This concept is different, right? It's not that at all. It's still waiting for confirmation, still waiting for playbook, entries and setups, scouting and checking the conditions around the trade, letting that kind of give you an idea of the size that you should put on that trade, and just understanding the move in general, right? So it's not about calling the tops or bottoms. It's about logically taking a trade with the understanding of what candlesticks are doing and what they're designed to do and what you would anticipate them doing. You down to watch Joe sleep for 8 hours? Sheesh, man said 8 hours. 8 hours. Y'all sleep 8 hours? I sleep 5 hours, sometimes 6. Yeah, that honestly that would be pretty accurate, Arnie. Joe Stew wakes up at 11, goes to the gym, hits up Crumble Cookie, wastes his whole gym session, then goes to Cheesecake Factory and blows tomorrow's gym session, and then back to a nap, and then maybe Cold Stone Cake at night to settle everything down.
They just blow it open. Yo, if they're coming, chat, just wait on them. They're coming.
Joe Stew vlogs coming.
It's gonna be like boat day or golf day. We'll be vlogging it.
Yeah. Golf day coming up soon.
Bring you guys a part of the journey. Facts, bro.
I think we may have some golf set up for what date was it again? Yeah, we're on the course again on the 14th. The 14th.
Get it. Yeah, we coming up, couple weeks.
Looking to have a great performance here, you know what I'm saying?
Gotta bounce back on this one.
Hey, honestly, I was not to toot my own horn, but I might have been the best golfer of the day. Got me pumped
Facts.
up. I spent $4 grand on golf equipment already. Just kidding, just kidding, just kidding. We'll cover all three, bros. Word. What's Nick doing right now? Da, 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 da. What's John doing? What's Joe doing? Yeah, can I get a 4-pack? Yeah, let me get a 3 chocolate chip and 1 brownie.
Fudge brownie. Yeah.
What's John doing now? 99, 100. Dude, Nick
While
got the
reading
steak
Think and
shop.
Grow Rich. One push-ups with one arm while reading Think and Grow Rich with the other.
TK's everywhere. Stephen B. He's everywhere. You guys slept? Haven't slept in 2 days? That's what I'm talking about, LeGrand. Let's go. Be a man. That's what I mean, bro. Who needs sleep? See, Melly, I'm down, man. I'm down. I'm trying to think next time I'm going to South Florida. I might go to Naples soon.
Said the summer, right? Or not?
Yeah,
Sooner?
I might go. I don't know. We might go earlier than that for like 3 or 4 days. Maybe we'll try and find the next. What's the next 3-day weekend thing? Probably go then, so that way we don't miss a stream.
3-day weekends whenever you want, dog. Come on, bro.
No, you know, but we don't want to miss out on the stream. I build my life. This is chat's world. I just live in it.
For real, bro. For real. Yo, Sandman, it's coming, bro. It's coming.
Yeah, we be messing with Joe, but Joe's got big plans too.
Nah, Joe's gonna be a beast, bro.
Joe
There's
might
no
be a
way he's not gonna
comedian.
be. For real, bro. I mean, I think he could blow up just doing food reviews, to be honest.
So not ready yet, man. Not ready just yet. 30 closes here in 2 minutes. I'm not sure I really see much though, to be honest. This candle closes resistance here. You may get this push down. It's about a 35 pip range here, so that's really the only option I would see at the closure here. I really would like to see that 30 close bear though, not like weak doji or bullish or something like that. Bearish closure.
Thanks, bro. Same. I would like to see that as well.
Other than that, you got that impulse entry we talked about, but that's not going to be me today. Someone get Johnny a cough drop. Johnny got that cough.
Yo, facts. Someone get me one.
COVID.
I'm about to Uber it.
DoorDash a box of cough drops, man.
Facts.
$30 close bearish, full margin. Risk the whole account, man.
Yeah, it doesn't look good to me.
945 might have to do it for us here. This would be great if we could pump up here in the next minute. If we can close like back up here, that gives us more of a reaction to this zone here, right? So we close like this, and then you reject the zone if possible, right? It's just an idea, right? You react at this zone with the rejection. Now you take sells from up here, right? Now you got like a 50 pip range versus like a 30, you know, less than 30 pip range. You figure deal me? Yeah, then you got news at 10. But notice how this 4-hour candle rejected, right? It did not, it tried to fill the wick, but it's not filling the wick. And it's now flipping bullish again. So those are signs that these could be rejections here, and all these lows are higher than the other one, right? So not looking the hottest for sells. I wouldn't touch sells just yet. I know, even though we talked about that a bunch, I know a lot of you guys did take sells. So I'm hoping the best for you, but understanding when it's time to go and when it's time to wait is very, very important. Yo, why is my trading view frozen again at 9:30 here today? Look at this. Same exact time as yesterday.
Wow.
Wow, that is crazy. Yo, don't play with us at 9:30. We're not that guy to play with at 9:30. Yeah, so look, you could take a sell on the break of these lows as an impulse entry, right? But that's not what I'm going to do today, but that's not a bad idea if you are looking for sells. I'm not looking for sells just yet. I want to see how we react here. The issue comes is if you react here during this candle, that's where the impulse entry comes into play. Right? If you begin to push up, reject, and then break that low, that's when you'll most likely see a move down to at least 22.54. Right? 22.54, and then kind of react here again. So price is reacting here and reacting here right now. So we're in a bit of a range. Do it at your own risk. Forget I said that, because I'm not looking for sells yet. Yeah, we're gonna wait for news here. I'll be right back. Green, I see you, bro. They know what we're up to. Oh man, Matrix. 9:30.
Greenery. Yo, Green, how was Vegas, bro? You enjoyed it? Living your best life, bro. That's what I like to see. Yes, sir. Nilo, what's good, my guy? Yo, G Sammy, you're funny, bro. Goldie. Always got to hit us with the news, man, in the New York sesh. Edson, we need Lele, right? There's no volume. We need Lele. Let's get Alariza. You went to Nevada to visit Area 51. Damn, bro. How was it? You see any aliens? That's hilarious. Hey, yo, Arnie. I didn't know that, man. G Sammy, you good, bro? G Sammy, you okay? What's the gym plan today? I'm thinking some chest and tries. Yeah. Honestly, the gym is my favorite part of the day. I love hitting the gym.
Here comes that impulse entry. Y'all got your fingers on the trigger, eh?
Yo, hey, yo. I ain't taking none.
I'm shooting blessings at you guys.
Yeah, Scott, facts. I love the gym. It really gets your mind off things.
There it is. It's a sample size position here. Let's see if it works.
Yo, G Sammy, bro. What the hell?
G Sammy.
And you done.
What's good with you and Angry Birds and eyebrows?
G Sammy like them eyebrows, man. All right.
Yeah, bro. You like these, bro? They're nice, right? I got nice Italian eyebrows.
G Sammy goes to the barbershop. He's like, you could do the eyebrows too, right?
Nah, just do the eyebrows.
Don't worry about the hair. Are you kidding me? I'm here for the eyebrows, dude. Oh, impulse entry. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work?
Yes, sir. Non-negotiable, brother.
Yeah,
Facts.
the gym is a non-negotiable, man. Gotta hit the gym every day, Monday through Sunday.
Facts.
Get that active rest day in, just walk, little cardio, but gotta be there every day.
If you hit the gym every day, a little bit of ice cream or cookies ain't gonna do anything.
Cookies. It'll just ruin your entire gut and the system of
It'll
the
just
gut,
ruin
but
your
don't worry,
entire
you'll look amazing.
It'll just ruin your entire gym session for that day.
Don't worry, your gut will thank you.
Yeah, AB Mike, facts, bro. I don't believe in rest days. Every day should be an active day. Should always be active.
10K steps a day, eh? All right, here we are back at this. All right, seriousness now. Talk about the charts. All right, well, here we are back at this level right here, where this is where we want to see what we do, right in this zone here. So we want to see how we react here, and that'll kind of give us direction. That may give us a hint on where news wants to go as well. So now we're back, and let's see where we go. Yeah. My gut's horrible, but man, look at these biceps. Hey, Vietnam. Oh, pumping. Are they pricing news in already? Pumping. Little celery play action going on. See the 4 hour? See what I mean? Low, higher low, higher low. This may not want to continue down. Right? That's why that whole like take profit was right in that zone. $9.30 pushing. Yeah, you got somewhat of a celery play here. You got what else? That's it. Yeah, you see how the daily bias is bullish, right? But you see how we were able to logically pull sells out earlier, and then the buys come around. So like, that's what I mean. Trading your session versus just trading the daily. You just trade the daily, then you don't get to take those beautiful sells, right? And then now you get to recap, right? So now the 4 hour did close bearish, but we never broke the lows. And once you get this second attempt and don't break the lows, now you see this support form, and then you could take buys on either this candle or this candle here. And then now you shift your focus back towards the daily. I just like stretching and cardio. Yeah. That's it, man. Stretch.
That's good.
Let's see how we yeah, all we have here is nothing besides this 10 a.m. here. So that's coming in about 20 minutes. Juice box here. Coming for those all-time highs again here. This is a perfect example too, as like this whole new idea concept is again not about trying to call the high, right? Because we could have tried to call the high on the 4 hour top wick at one point when it was like right here, right, and just sell off from there. And there was still no confirmation there for sells yet. And then this wasn't a confirmation either because that's way too weak of a bearish candle. Right? We want to see a strong bearish candle, something like this. Right? But that one's very, very weak candle there. So that wasn't a confirmation either. Holy, the Angry Birds. Can you briefly explain the difference between sell stop and sell limit? Yeah, a sell stop is like, if you have a sell stop right here, then what I'm saying is, okay, once this candle comes down and hits that level there, that's when I'll get activated into a sell. So that's a sell stop, and then a sell limit is, let's say, I don't know, let's say price is down here, coming down, you can set a sell limit like right here, and then once price comes up, and then I think re-breaks it, right? Re-breaks it, then you're in for the sell. I never used a sell limit though, only a sell stop. Yeah, I think it has to, correct me if I'm wrong, chat, but I think it has to move above it, right? And then come back down to activate it. Is that how it goes? Yeah, cool. Why everyone talking about all-time highs and not all-time middle? We're in the all-time schmiddle here, G Sammy. G Sammy, where are you from? Where do you live? I like you. Where you live at? How old was I when I first got my tattoo? 18. Right? Yeah, 18. I tried to get one at 15, but glad I didn't. And what is it? It is it's a hand of cards with my name. So one card has NICK on it, and then there's 3 die which say 4, 5, 6, and something else. Honestly, I haven't even looked at it in a while. But yeah, that was the first one I got, and I got that because number one, I always like the hand of cards idea, but 4, 5, 6 is, I don't know if you guys have ever played the game CeeLo, but one time we were playing CeeLo. It was New Year's Eve. I can't remember the year, but I ended up winning like $4,000 that night just off playing dice. And so I was like, yeah, I got to get that tatted on me. And $4,000, I was only 15, 16 years old too, so it's pretty good.
Damn, bro. What did you do with the money? No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, man, I bought everyone egg sandwiches in the morning. We were literally, this was New Year's Eve, so you know how that goes. So we were playing CeeLo till like 6 o'clock in the morning, just in time for the deli to open up.
That bacon, egg, and cheese, I'm sure you slapped.
Slapped. All right, Scott, see you later, bro. Have a great day.
Peace, Scott.
To the moon. All right, Perez, see you later, bro. Later.
Raz, peace, bro.
I'll stick around for news and stuff. We already took one trade, so I really need someone to really line up here.
Yeah, I'm probably out by 10.
Yeah, took this trade earlier. Gold, it was at 6 a.m. We took the trade. For anyone who wasn't here earlier, anytime you see a 1 next to the charts here, that means that I took the entry off stream. But some of them you'll probably be able to still see on stream. But yeah, great trade here, man. Great trade. 1 hour breakout, or 1 hour onion. 50 pips, 5%. It's a good one. Yeah, April should be good. Last April we took a loss on the first trade, but then it was all money. Moving through, took another loss midway through. There you go, G Sammy. There's the middle. No one talks about the middle. There's a little middle loss, and then yeah, it was pretty much moolah the rest of the month there. We're heading into some good months. Same thing with May. May was very clean. I think we took 1, 2, 3, 4 losses last May. 1 break even. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think it was like 17 wins in May and 3 losses, 4 losses. So yeah, this is the trading season, man. June was insane. June we took 1 loss. Don't hit me with the 34 lots. June we just took 1 loss, and this was really a win. This trade, I just took a loss on it.
Yeah, bro, undefeated month for me.
Big loss. Yeah, that was that your first like undefeated month?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Ah, man, I almost.
That was vacation month too, so it was nice.
Oh yeah, that's right. I almost had a perfect game in April or June.
Oh yeah, bro. 1 hitter.
Yeah.
We run it back this June.
Yep. Actually, we almost had a perfect game here in September too. It didn't take too many trades, but.
Back.
Hey, pretty good book, chat. Atomic Habits. I actually never got around to reading this one. So far, so good. I like it. It talks about everything we talk about. You know, having systems for your life and your every area of your life. 34 lots. Yeah, so we'll see now. We pushed up through this range here. New candles are moving up pretty good. Oh, what's this? My dream is trading at the beach, enjoying my free vacation. Well, not free, but the yeah, man. You can do it.
Yeah, bro. Making money online.
Yep. I don't see why not. There's other people doing it, Daniel. Why not you?
Yeah, man. That gives you your freedom, right? Making money from your computer. Because now you can go anywhere you want. You just need your computer. Make that bread.
Yeah. Yeah, 9:30 rocket ship here. Moving up on the daily here. Coming up. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? Just finished reading that? Nice. Nice, nice. Been with TTE for almost a year. Yeah, I know. Daniel been putting in work.
Daniel. Shout out Daniel.
Yes, sir. Daniel going to be an 8-figure TTE trader too.
I can see it.
Trust me, gang. When I lock in, I lock in. And I'm telling you, it may not happen this year or this month or next month, but it will happen. And we will have 8-figure traders.
Hell yeah, bro. Chad, Nick's been on the grind for success for the last 15 years. It's
my whole life.
He's tracking it. You
Ever
don't
since
play.
I was born.
You don't play.
Create a new high.
The only thing he plays is life.
Yeah, that's true, Jamil. Trap some sellers. Yeah, that's why that impulse entry there was very risky sample size. I am an 8-figure trader. Let's go, energy. That's the
Shout out
thing.
energy.
You see, like the book talks about, you know, it's one thing to understand you want to do something, like you want to be an 8-figure trader. It's another thing to back it up with a systematic approach and have a system that you run every day. But the real like defining, I don't know, attitude is, do you actually believe you can be an 8-figure trader, right? Because if you believe, like truly believe you could be an 8-figure trader, now you'll really actually stay consistent with the systematic approach, right? And that takes time. So can you stay systematic? Can you keep your belief level high all while you're on that journey of getting to that point? You know, that's the toughest part. Most people quit. That's just the thing. Most people can have anything that they want, but they quit too early. It's a shame.
Bro, that's what Think and Grow Rich talks about. That's the starting point, like your desire, believing in your desire. And then it also talks about in the magic of thinking big that once you believe you can do it, now the brain develops the how to do it. So now you figure out how to do it, and by speaking that affirmation energy, by speaking that affirmation every single day, no matter what happens through you throughout your day, whatever you're gonna do is gonna be focused on how, like, being the 8-figure trader. Your mind's gonna focus on doing the things that it's gonna require to be an 8-figure trader, because that's what you have just programmed it to do. So that's why speaking affirmations, positive affirmations, is key to success.
Yep. And then if you continue to tell your mind, I am an 8-figure trader, I am an 8-figure trader, well, your mind is going to begin to look for answers, right? It's going to look to help you with that that goal that you have, right? So that's where now you start making decisions. Will this decision get me closer to being an 8-figure trader or not? Right? Life becomes very simple. Decision making becomes very simple when you know exactly what you want, and more importantly, you can identify as that, right? So instead of saying, you know, I will be an 8-figure trader, start saying I am an 8-figure trader, and then that will begin to bring that identity to you, right? The book used an example as like a smoker, right? Like, let's say two people are trying to quit smoking cigarettes, and someone lights a cigarette up and they go, hey, you want one? And one guy's like, yeah, I'm trying to quit, but yeah, I'll take one, right? Because he still identifies as a smoker. Where the other guy B, he says, no, I don't smoke anymore. I'm not a smoker anymore, right? He fixed his identity, and that allowed him to make a better decision. So that's kind of how it works.
1000%.
How you doing, Lele? All right, 7 minutes here for news. Yes, sir. That's why my goal card, I'm always saying I'm so happy and grateful now that I am, or that I have. Where's your gold card, Lele? Lele's going to have a gold card very soon.
Yeah, facts, bro.
Hey. Come over here with it.
And by and then, you know, by law of assumption, by natural law, you know, as you believe whatever the role is, as you assume and act the role, it's only a matter of time that it actually becomes real. What you do is you trick your mind, your brain, to think that you are an 8-figure trader. It goes from not thinking you're an 8-figure trader to I am an 8-figure trader. And then by natural law, you attract it to you, because you remember the saying, you bargain life for a penny, but life gave you no more. So whatever you say out to the universe, that's what you're going to get back, right? If you're saying I don't have, then you're not going to get. The universe won't give it to you. But by saying you are, and by saying you are this 8-figure trader, that's what you get in return. And it's a trick on the mind.
Right, Lele's awesome. Right, we got a new thing now. Lele's awesome, right? Should go, Daddy's awesome. Maverick's awesome, right, Lele? Hey, press one of these buttons. What do you want them to do?
Yes, word of God, right? In the Bible, it says, as a man thinketh, so is he, right? So it's really as simple as that.
Okay,
You can attract certain success with
We like
thoughts
to troll.
you
We do a
decide
little
to think.
trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
Lele's trolling y'all.
Right? You're not like gasping for air, right? You let air come to you. Same thing with money. You don't want to be hustling out here for money. I mean, there's a season and phase for everything, but hustling for money clearly doesn't. We already see that people are hustling for money and they don't have financial freedom, right? They don't have an abundance of wealth. So clearly hustling for money isn't the way for abundance with money, right? It has to, you have to attract it. You have to become the type of person to attract it too.
Amen. Amen. As a man thinketh, so is he. Right? As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. Put you on game, man. Got to read your book. By the way, we're doing a Bible study here on Sunday. For those of you guys that are interested in tapping into the Word, pick up your book, man. It's very important to read the book. A lot of good wisdom, a lot of good knowledge, a nice lamp to your pathway. And we're going to be diving into the Gospel of the Gospel of Mark on Sunday. So we're probably going to do this every week, move verse by verse. And again, this won't be your big old Pope hat and outfit and telling you to stand up and stand down and turn around and do a merry-go-round. It's just going to be us and the Word. Right, I'm no scholar in the Bible. We're going to break down verse by verse, and we're going to try and understand what the Lord has for us to hear. And we're going to do that on Sundays around 5 p.m. Eastern. It's going to be a good time. We're back in the war room. We're back. What time? I think we're going to run it like 5 p.m. 5 p.m. What's up, Anthony? What's good? What's good? 5 p.m. Eastern, yes. Yeah. Yes, sir. That's true, Daniel.
Came right up to them 4-hour highs.
Yeah, it came right up to that high there, but never broke it. See that? Almost. JDM, let's go. Hey, man, I'm looking at this hatch right now. I might pull a trigger on this chat. Got a K-series. Beautiful. Oh, man, it's so beautiful. Might
What,
have
a
to pull
camera?
trigger. Nah, this hatchback. You guys know I used to run the hatches back in the day, so might have to bring it out again. Oh, it's a beauty. Yeah, we might live stream it. Give me like a day or two. I still gotta figure all that out. If we're gonna go on Zoom, if we're gonna go on the live stream, we'll figure it out. Buy or sell news? I would, I don't know. You tell me, brother.
We're back at all-time highs, eh?
There we are. We're staring down that wick. Yeah, Sunday service. Later, JP. Have a great day. What's up, Lee Lee? Chapter 14. Chapter 14 of what? Chapter 14. Yeah, 930 ended up moving up here. Never broke that high yet though. I was selling and closed a small loss. Took the best decision. Yeah, there you go. Yep. Yeah, like I said, the sells that I took earlier from up here were good, but down here is just way too much coming into this area here now. So that's why that was more so like to take profit versus looking for another entry there. But here comes the news here, ladies and gentlemen. Will we push up and break all-time highs here? Will we go for it? Will we go? Will we go? 1 hour candle close very strong bullish above everything here. All-time highs sitting right here. 4 hour rejecting. Let's see what happens. Let's see how the numbers came out. Numbers came out a little lower than last month, right as expected though. So you shouldn't see much of a change. I think price action will lead the way here. But there's no buys here for me just because I don't know where we're going. All right, you got 11 pips here, and then we have no clue where price wants to go after that. Yanosh in the house. What up, Yanosh? What's good? What's good?
Yeah, brother. I think I'm about to head out of here. What's going on with you today?
Bro, everything's going on, brother.
Everything, bro. Everything.
Everything. You out though?
Yeah, I'm about to get my day started.
Alright, man.
I see the sun shining, bro.
You going to the lagoon or what?
I don't know yet. Not sure yet.
John might hit that lagoon up. Better take some.
Yeah, bro. I might. For my first time, yeah.
Alright, no doubt.
Yeah, bro. So, see what's good. Hit you up a little bit later.
Do you think, bro?
All right, brother. All right, broski. Talk to you later.
All right, fam. See you later.
Peace, bro. Peace, chat. Have a good day.
Later, dude.
Peace. Peace.
Later, Gator.
Later.
Later, Gator. See ya.
I'm gone.
Adios. He's out. We're back to our beginner song here. Later, energy. Have a fantastic day, G. Fantastic day, you G's. That's great. All the top G's. Top G's are exiting. I'm $100 away from passing my challenge. Oh, hey, ice pips. Let's go. Scared money don't make money. Take the trade. Which trade? What trade? I took my trade of the day here. I took my sells, grabbed my 50 pips. I don't see any trade here. There's no logic to the left that backs this idea for targets or anything, so nothing there for me. Maybe if we can come up, go up to the sky, and then come back down. Now we got new ranges from 2026.7 or 2267 to wherever this wants to push, and then we can come down and trade those ranges another day. Later, Johnny. Later, Johnny. Nice. Smoke the highs here again. Love it. Let's see if we come all the way up towards 84 here and then come back down. What do you think is the most important thing to focus on when starting with trading? Consistency, right? Showing up every day, keeping your mentality right, not trying to make money right out the gates, but just focused on really learning, right? Learning on why price does what it does, and just staying consistency. Don't even worry about making money for the first year. If it comes, it comes. Nice skeleton. Nice, nice. Smoke the all-time highs again, yeah. Yep, but now where do we go? Where do we go? Yeah, this is where we want to see all this good stuff for tomorrow, right? And then blah blah blah, and now you got a new clean range right here. Later, Wags. Wags is out. See you, bro. Later, later. Yeah, once we get some better market structure and some, or not better, but actual, once we actually get market structure, then yeah. Yeah, I think that'll be it for me today. I'll take that one trade, early trade for me today. And we'll come back tomorrow. Yeah, daily candle pumping up. Weekly candle broke the highs again. So we're off to the races here on the weekly, man. Same thing with the monthly. Yeah, I think that's it for me today. I'll be back at it tomorrow. What's tomorrow? Wednesday? Yeah, tomorrow's Wednesday. So we'll come back tomorrow. We got some giveaways tomorrow too. So we're doing some giveaways. I think we got a couple 25K challenge accounts. So don't miss tomorrow's live stream. We will see you then for the giveaways. And yeah, that'll be it. Enjoy the profits here today. If you guys are in buys or if you took sells earlier, hope you guys had a good day. Hope you followed your plan here today. And tomorrow's another one. So I'll see you guys mañana. Mods, thanks for pulling up. Everyone else in the chat, all my future 8-figure traders. W's on the way out. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Later, dogs. Peace.
Say it's holy, can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion, you don't kid me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so cool inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah, hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain, he poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it, I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it, I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death, I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father, I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah, say it and it's done. Breakthrough, Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. wash away my shame. Glory to the Father, you deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar, wash away my shame.
I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no luck. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no luck. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spent in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work, yeah, yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, yeah, I was down, but now I'm up, 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 up. I was down, but now I'm
down, now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beanstalk. Jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put him back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business, now who I worship. Who the little guy making big, big, big moves. Tick tock, turn it to a tick, 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 boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff, probably thought it was a bluff, till I went and turned it where?
I was down, but now I'm up, up.